North Carolina Amber Alert.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Caldwell County Sheriff's Office has reported an abduction of Medley Reese Ray. Medley Reese Ray is a 14-year-old white female, 4 foot 9 inches tall, and weighs 100 pounds. Medley Reese Ray has fair skin complexion, brown hair, and blue eyes. Medley Reese Ray was last seen wearing a New York Yankees shirt, black and gray sweatpants, and white shoes. The abductor is a Austin Ryan Setzer. Austin Ryan Setzer is a 21-year-old white male, also fair skin complexion. Austin Ryan Setzer is 6 foot 1 inch tall and weighs 215 pounds. Austin Ryan Setzer has brown hair and green eyes and has a tattoo on his left arm. Austin was seen driving a white BMW with black wheels. If you have any information in regards to Medley Reese Ray's whereabouts, please call the Caldwell County Sheriff's Office or dial 911.